that. So now, good morning, all of you. As we come to know here, we'll see the section 1 and what is the way of answering and what is the question weightage coming from the physics, chemistry and biology and how the questions will be. Let us see either we can able to solve or not, because we're having a mind that we are facing a lot of difficulties in solving numericals and all. But a standard question paper, either it is easy or not, either we have already studied or not, we must know. So that is why we will test ourselves now. So let us come to the first question. Now here you can see which is the name of the metal which exists in liquid state at room temperature, they are asking. So what is the metal which is exists at room temperature? Mercury. So now listen. So those who don't know also I am saying you now itself. So a metal, if they will ask you, a liquid metal is called as mercury. The symbol of mercury is what, guys? Hg. Next, if it comes to the non-metals, non-metals, the liquid non-metal, understanding, is called as bromine. Is that, guys? Bromine. Kindly please remember that. So what is that? Bromine is the liquid non-metal and mercury is the liquid metal. Okay, guys? That is. So what is the correct answer? Mercury is the correct answer. Next. When the liquid is spun rapidly, very simple, spun rapidly. I have shown you the mission also. Centrifugation. No, guys. So like this mission, Jayvarsini, do you remember? Alana, Jayvarsini, like this. Spun rapidly. Centrifuge, sir. Particles are forced to the bottom and the lighter particles stay at the top. So this principle is called as, what is that called as? Centrifugation. So we have a lot of applications in centrifugation, like extracting drugs from the blood. We are using that, and also in our milk industries and all, we are having a lot of importance of centrifugation. Yes or no, Darun, Alana? Sir. That is okay, guys. That is how to remember it. Understanding, Manya and Samya? That is. So what is the principle? Whenever you can say spun rapidly, immediately, what is the phenomena? That is centrifugation. Okay. Next, if you put camphor in open container, as I said, camphor, don't read these options. We don't want camphor. Camphor is a what example of sublimate product. What is this? It is the sublimate product or it is the sublime. So what do you mean by sublimate, Mavanish, Laksha, Manya and Samya? Anybody can answer? Darun? What do you mean by sublimate?
Change a simple gaseous state,
which will convert directly from solid state to gaseous state. Is called as sublimate product. Now, so now its amount keep on decreasing due to the which phenomena, guys? Camphor.
Sublimation.
Sublimation. Understanding, Jayvarsini, Laksha? It is due to the what? Sublimation. That is the answer. So if you put camphor in one open container, it will keep on decreasing the amount because of sublimation, because it will directly convert solid state to which state, Ra? Solid state to gaseous. Understand, Tamil Selvan? Yes or no? That is. Next, a tincture of iodine, as I said, forget about this one. A tincture of iodine is made up of two things. It is not a water. It is made up of two things, I said. So in here you can say iodine is present. So iodine is one, and the next one is
alcohol.
What is that? Alcohol. So
alcohol.
Who is the solvent here? Alcohol is the solvent.
Alcohol.
Solvent. And iodine is what? Iodine is called as
solute.
Understanding? Iodine is the solute. Now, in the tincture of iodine, find the solute and solvent. What is the solute and solvent, Tamil Selvan? I will go very slowly.
Iodine is solute. Alcohol is solvent. Option B.
You can
check. Sir, option B.
Iodine is the solute. Yes, iodine is the solute and alcohol is the solvent. Yes or no? Alcohol is the solvent. So, what is the correct answer?
B.
Option
B.
B is the correct answer. You see, don't be silent. I know that your mics are working properly, everything. Unless until you are communicating, your skills won't be improved. That is what my sincere request. Once again, I'm saying you. Whenever we are trying to answer some question, then definitely automatically our mind will activate whenever we are solving alone the questions. That is what I will always suggest you. Try to communicate and try to respond, and then only we people can make it everything. What I'm expecting next year, all the good results will come only when you are communicating with me only. That is what. Please remember that. Laksha, please, Shruti, you can message her. Next, from the given VT graph, velocity time graph, it can be inferred that the object is in what, guys? Object is in what? Inferred graph. The object is in what, guys?
Uniform motion.
Uniform motion. You can see first one. What is the example of that one? That straight line indicate what it is? Anybody? Straight line.
Constant.
Yes.
Constant velocity.
As I said, it's a constant velocity, correct or not? So velocity is fixed. So the body, suppose let me reaches to here, the velocity is, for example, 30 kilometer per hour. So now from the same 30 kilometer per hour, it is traveling continuously at the same speed, correct or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
We used to call that, what we should call constant speed or uniform speed, correct or not? Constant speed, velocity, or uniform speed, we should say. So in this case, when the body is in what we can say, the body is at uniform
motion.
So in this case, what is the acceleration? Acceleration what?
Zero acceleration.
Acceleration is equal to zero. Acceleration is equals to 0 meter per second square. So the body is moving with what? Constant speed or uniform speed. So that is what we should call it as. What is that motion called as, guys? Uniform
motion.
Is it a new thing for us? It is an old thing only. We already know this graph. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, usually those who know about the CBSE standard is basically they will never make all unnecessary things and out of syllabus and all. They will know the standard of children. According to that only they will set the question paper. This is a standard of CBSE, Kendriya Vidyalayas. But what we will feel, they will give something nonsense. Now you can see this is such a question. We already know that. Now let me see who will answer. The particle is moving in a circular path of radius r. What is the displacement after half a circle? They are asking, guys. So now here how to use. So as we know, complete rotation, as I said, what is the displacement? Body is starting at A and body is starting again it reaches to A. Now complete rotation. What is the displacement? Displacement is
Zero, sir.
Understand? If it is half rotation, this is for complete rotation. So complete rotation, displacement is equals to 0. Now only half rotation. Half rotation means what is the displacement is equals to?
2r.
2r, sir.
Diameter of the circle. Yes or no, guys? So diameter of the circle. So diameter means what? D. So D is equals to what?
2r.
Equals to 2r. That's all. So if it is make half rotation, very good. Very good, Adarshan. Others also please communicate. Tamil Selvan, Darun, and Manya and Samya, Alana. At least in chat you should be able to answer. What is your priority then? That is what I will request you always. Okay? Next. So what is the correct answer? They are making half rotation. If it is complete rotation, what is Ramonesh? Complete rotation means
Zero.
0 is the correct answer. Here they have mentioned half rotation. So what is the correct answer? 2r. Understand? If it is diameter is there, diameter is the correct answer. Yes, Elmuke?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, which of the following can sometimes be 0 if your body is moving? Yes.
Displacement.
Displacement.
Just now we have been studied. Yes, guys. Manya and Samya.
Yes, sir.
Selvan. So sometimes when the body will reaches to the same initial position, correct or not, guys?
The displacement is 0.
Understanding? Starting position and end position both will be at the same point. Then displacement will become 0. But distance will never become 0. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes.
What is the correct answer?
Sir.
Distance will never become 0. So displacement will become 0 because displacement is a vector quantity, but distance is a what? Scalar
quantity.
So that is you have to remember. So what is the correct answer? Displacement, option A. Next, this is see graph based question. Let us see how smart we people are. So now you have to solve. So graph, read the graph. What is that? The speed time graph for a car is given here. Now using the data in the graph, calculate the total distance covered by the car. They are asking. Calculate the total distance covered by the car. So now what total distance means? What I said, Ra? What I said, total
You want
distance.
to take
Area of
the
the
area.
diagram.
Area of the.
Area of that shape. Yes or no, guys? Area of that shape. Yes or no? So area of that
Yes, sir.
shape. What is the shape here? Anybody can answer? What is the shape here?
Trapezium.
Yes. What is the shape here?
Trapezium we can use, sir.
So we have, okay, if you're feeling difficulty, here you can see, we have one rectangle.
Rectangle, sir.
We have one
And
rectangle.
triangle.
Next we have what? Ra? We have
Triangle.
another one.
Triangle.
We have a triangle. That's all. So you can take trapezium also, your choice. But if you feel difficulty trapezium, so now you can solve with the normal thing. So now distance covered by body is equals to area of a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle?
Length
Formula
into
here?
breadth.
L into B.
Breadth.
Into B.
Say the answer. What is that? 10, 50 into 5. Yes or no, guys? 50,
Yes, sir.
50 into 5. Is it yes or no, guys? Next, half,
sir.
half into base, how much?
50, sir.
Again,
50.
50 into height is equals to
Height 30.
30. Yes or no? Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2 ones are 2 25s are 2 25s are, which is equals to 55s are how much? Ra? 5 5s are 25
No, 52.
250.
plus now 25 30s are how much? Ra? 25 30.
750.
Huh?
750, sir.
750, sir.
750. So 750. So now if we'll add this both, what we used to get? Ra?
1000.
75, sir.
Huh? Wrong here. You are doing wrong somewhere. Please kindly check it. 750. So 750 plus 250, which is equals to 1000, but it is coming wrong.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are doing somewhere mistake. Here we are doing wrong. You can check it. Height of the trapeze. Height is how much, Ra? Height is here. You can check it. Height is not.
Height is 25 only. Want to
Yes. Height is how much, Ra? Height is how much? Not it is
25.
how much it is? It
25.
not
25.
yes 30. It is what here below 5 we have to.
Sir, 25 into 25. 625.
Yes, it is 25 into 25. It is what? 25 into 25. It is 625. Correct, guys? So 25, which is equals to 625 is the correct answer. So 625. So 625 plus 250. How much, Ra? 625 plus 250.
Sir,
Which is equals to
875.
625.
875.
625 plus 250, which is equals to
875.
875. So B is the correct answer. Correct, Ra? 625 plus this is, which is equals to 875 is the correct answer. Next, you can check it. So next, so that is, so here see, small mistake we have been done. What is the mistake we have been done here? What is the mistake we have done here? Height of the triangle, we have taken 30, but here down bottom, this 5 we have to be eliminated. This is the 5 which we have to be eliminated. Is it okay, Ra? Yes or no? That is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Sir,
Next one. So this question I already taught you. So 4 cars A, B, C, D are moving on a leveled straight rod. Their distance time graphs are shown in the figure below. Understand? So now which of the following is the correct statement regarding the motion of these cars they are asking. So now you can see here totally how many bodies are there? A,
4
B,
bodies.
C, D. 4 bodies are there. Now 4 bodies, as I said, if you take the graph, which body is faster? Ra? Anybody can say? Which body is faster? The body which is having more slope. What is that? The body which is having more slope will travel much faster. Now here, which body is having more slope, guys?
Sir, D,
Sir,
sir.
B.
B. And the which body is having, with the body which is having less slope, the body is the slowest one, which is the body is more slope, which is the fastest one, faster. Okay. So now you tell me DCAB. Now you can see and you can tell me. So what is that? Car A is faster than D. Now car B is slower. Now car C is faster than car D, and car C is the slowest one. So what is the correct answer?
B.
B is the slowest one. So you can see here, B is the slow. So car B is the slowest one, and car D is the fastest one. So car D is not given here. Car B they have given. So what is the correct answer, Ra?
Sir, option B.
Option B is the correct answer. Okay, that is next. In water sugar solution, so somebody is answering already. So now in water sugar solution, what is solute and what is solvent? Ra? Water is solute. Wrong answer.
Water is
So
solvent.
water is solvent. Water is solvent, and sugar is the
Option B, sir.
solute. Understanding? Water is solvent and sugar is the solute. So those who click option C is the wrong answer. Alana, are you understand? Alana, Darun? Yes, Maunesh, Alana,
Yes, sir.
Manya and Samya. That is. So in water sugar solution. So who is dissolving in water? We have to take
Sugar.
water
Sugar is
and we have to add sugar in water. Understanding? So sugar in water, so that sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. Okay, that is. So in you tell me in solvent and solute, who is more percentage in solution? So who is more
Solvent.
percentage?
Solvent.
Solution is equals to solvent plus solute. Is it yes or no, guys? So now
Yes,
who is more percentage in solution? Solvent,
Solvent, sir.
correct or not? So sorry, solvent is more percentage and solute is always must be less percentage. That is how to remember it. Next, yes, this is already people know it. Next, the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. So the word cell is derived from the Latin word cellula, which means a little room. So can you name the scientist who coined this term, the term called as cell?
Robert Hooke.
That is the well known directly. That is what we should know already. That is what we should call it as what? Robert.
Robert Hooke.
Okay. This is directly the known thing for us. Direct scientist name. Correct? Ra? Robert Hooke.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good, Tamil Selvan. Tamil Selvan also answered this. Next one. So this is again the physics question. So you can see what is the question. Read anybody.
Velocity versus time graph
Velocity
of a
versus
ball
time graph.
mass 50 grams rolling on a
Rolling.
50
concrete floor is
grams rolling on a concrete floor is shown in the figure below. Now, what will be the frictional force on the floor of the ball? They are asking. What is the frictional force, guys? What is the force means in the case of, what is the formula? Force is equals to what?
Sir, mass into
Mass into
acceleration.
acceleration. Yes or no, guys? Mass into
Sir, we have
acceleration.
to
Don't
find
see
the
options. I
acceleration.
don't want
What is the
options now
acceleration?
here. What is the initial velocity, Maunesh? What is the initial velocity?
90 meter per
Yes,
second.
We can directly know. What is the mass of the body? Mass of the body is 50 into, understanding. Now velocity how much, Ra? Acceleration 80 minus final velocity is what? 0. So 0 means what will come? 0 minus
Sir,
80.
sir.
Yes. 0 minus
80
80.
grams, sir.
Oh, okay, no
Sir,
problem. You
50
can
by
substitute. You
1000
can write it,
will
no
come.
issues. Okay, brothers.
Eight,
Last
sir.
weekend.
Eight.
Yeah,
Eight.
divided by, you can substitute. What is the time period, Ra? 0 to 8.
Sir,
What
8
is that?
seconds.
8
Eight
seconds.
seconds.
So now let us see. This is 50 grams. 50 grams means how I can take 50 divided by 1000. Yes or no? So 50 divided by 1000, which is equals to 5 by 100. Understanding? 5 by 100 means what? 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 5 fours are 5 fours are 5 fives are
520.
520s, correct? Into this will become what? Minus 80 by 8. So minus 80 by 8 means how much, Ra?
Minus
Sir,
10.
10. Minus 10.
Minus 10. Very good. So minus 10. So now 8 ones are 8 tens are, which is equals to how much, guys? You can check it. Force is equals to. So this is how
0.5
much?
Newton.
1.20 into this is minus 10.
10 by
Okay, so which is equals to minus 10 by 20. So now 10 ones are 10 twos are. So 1 by 2 means how much, Ra? 1 by 2 means how much, guys?
0.5.
0.5. So
Minus
this
Minus
force
0.5.
minus we are getting. So this minus indicate what, Jayvarshini? Minus indicate what?
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction it is acting. That's all. So here what is opposite direction? 0.0 minus 0.5. Oh, sorry, minus 0.5 newtons or 5 newtons. So what is the correct answer? 5 newtons is the correct answer. Okay, da? Yes,
Yes, sir.
that is.
Yes, sir.
So 0.5 newtons is the answer. Have you solved it? Or you understand how to solve? Very simple.
Sir.
So we have to find that they are asking here frictional force, means force is equals to, mass into acceleration. So we'll find the acceleration and we'll multiply with the mass. But here mass we should take in kilograms. Why? Mass they have given in here grams.
Grams.
So grams, we know converting into kilograms, we used to get what? 1 gram is equals to how much, guys? 1 gram is equals to how much grams? 1/1000 kilograms. Yes or no? So 50 grams means 50 into 1/1000. 1/1000 kilogram. Correct? That is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please all of you note it down. That is. Next. The inertia of a moving body depends on what? Inertia. Inertia means what? Inertia